It's Tuesday.
I just know. Let me show you something, guys. Like, show Mommy. So I have my Super Diddy side by side. I'm showing what I'm going to do to it. Let me show you. Mommy, get them back here. Look, I take the spray and spray it.
Alright, she's cleaning up her side by side. She's got some water and some Dawn in there. Well, you're not even spraying your side by side. Alright, so she's cleaning that up. She's done cleaning the race car up. So Maggie's working really, really hard tonight. Brad's getting started on tire work. We got lots of tires everywhere. We got tires everywhere. But obviously he's got to break a few down because we got some new ones. So, got to get some wheels taken care of before we can get some of these new ones mounted, grooved, stopped, all the stuff. So, lots of tire work. I'll show you guys that in the process, and then I'll also turn it on some time lapse as well, so you can watch that process.
How did you do that?
I got it in the top.
You always mash in the middle. You big baby. Mash in the middle. Are you bleeding? You bleeding right now? What? You sure?
Yep.
You don't have bleeding right now?
Yep. I don't think
Positive?
Yep. I'll roll it, people.
Now you gotta get that other thing. Break it down. Start breaking it down.
What?
Huh?
The thing above your head.
That big scissors looking thing. That's
Above your head.
finger. This big old thing. That'll squish your finger. Oh yeah, it will squish your finger.
She said no. You don't want to do that, Maggie?
Hmm?
Get out of my camera. Go on. Go. I'm trying to video. Go.
Now come here.
Go help people.
What? What, people?
Push that handle down.
Okay.
Don't get hurt. Push. There you go. Look there, you broke it down.
What's in the heart?
Alright, wait a minute. Now, push it. Look at that.
I'm just a big helper.
Oh yeah. That's it.
Now, what up?
Now what do you got to do?
What up? People.
Blow it out. Alright, watch your fingers. There.
And we pull it up.
Give it to Daddy.
Here, Daddy.
Don't throw it down though.
Turn it over. It's got to go on the other side.
No.
Yeah, it does, really. Look how Daddy's got his.
Okay.
Get it upside down, Max.
Okay.
Can't put a towel on it like that. Slide it over there.
Wait.
Whoa.
Ready? You do it. How did you do that?
What, buddy?
What? You like it?
Maggie's helping with all the things tonight.
I do want to say something.
Hey, go help Daddy. You always got something to say.
I
Hey,
just don't
put it
Put it
know
on there.
who you are. But,
Put it on.
Put it on it.
What?
now today is tire day. He's gonna get everything grooved, sopped, hopefully get everything finished up that he needs to get finished up. So that's what is currently going on. How many tires you got to do?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7's got to be grooved and sopped. 1, 2, 3, 4's got to be ground and re-grooved.
Okay.
So about 20 tires.
All right, what else has to be done on the car?
Got to set the valves. Got to check nuts and bolts. Got to build a T-bar. About 3 days worth of work.
3 days worth of work?
Yep.
You're racing in 2 days?
Yep.
All right, so you heard it. Lots of work still to do. He started with a whole lot, but now he's just got a lot. So anyway, all right guys, so now he's got this one grooved, ground, and now he's gonna sop it. After he gets finished sopping it, we'll wrap it up and this one will be finished up. So almost one tire done. He gets them done a whole lot quicker than I can. All right, so Brad is still working on tires. See that here. Let me go back here and show you guys what they're working on back here. He's working on sopping. And then Austin and Chris are back here working on a T-bar. Getting the big stuff out of the way. Alright, so the guys aren't the only ones working on a car. McKaylee's also out here working on a car. Yes. Just a little different car, but you know, it's a car nonetheless.
Work done.
Alright guys, so I was out there helping McKaylee do the little Types car. Brad's working on tires still. He's already done all those tires. This is all the ones you've done tonight? You done?
This is the last one.
Look at you. Alright, and he's got his helpers. Austin over here acting like he knows what a wrench is. He's checking nuts and bolts. I mean, he is a mechanic. It's what he does for a job. I guess he knows a little bit about it. And then Chris is working on a T-bar. Because he welded them on the wrong side.
I'm going to be on this T-bar 2 days.
He welded them on the wrong side, so he had to cut them off and put them back on. So, that's what's going on there. But yeah, so Brad's working on tires, Austin's working on nuts and bolts, and Chris is working on T-bar. So, yeah, so lots of stuff going on. Alright guys, so all the tires are finished up. The guys are trying to finish up the T-bar here. Austin was about halfway done with checking nuts and bolts. But getting closer, getting closer. I'm fixing to head home. It's starting to thunder and lightning here. Starting to rain, so I'm gonna go home and get Moo Moo a bath. But we appreciate all of you guys watching. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks to all of you who watch. Thanks to all of you who support this. All right, thanks to all of our partners, Worst Performance Parts, WJI Enterprises, BB Designs, PPM Racing Products, Brinn Transmission, Penske Racing Shots, Gorsuch Performance, BB Designs, American Racers by PPM. Thanks to all of those guys that make every bit of this possible. I know some people will question, they'll be like, why are you running Hoosiers when you're sponsored by American Racers by PPM? And that's a question we get often, so I'll answer that right now because it just came to me. But we run Hoosiers because some tracks only allow you to run Hoosiers. Some tracks let you run American Racers. If we can run American Racers, we run American Racers. But there's so many tracks that limit you to Hoosier only. So if you see us on with Hoosiers on, that's why, because we have to run them and we don't have the American Racer option. But if we have the American Racer option, we always choose the American Racers over the Hoosiers. But anyway, we'll see you guys back out in the shop possibly tomorrow. I think Brad and Moo are going to go to Talladega, maybe watch, and then we'll see you guys Saturday night, Molten Speedway, 2,500 to win crate race. Weather permitting, it looks like it's going to be pretty good, only 20%. So see you Saturday.